Hello everyone. Today we will conduct a very beautiful experiment, which chemists call golden rain. For this experiment, we need potassium iodide and lead nitrate. To begin, let us take 2 flasks and pour into each of them at each gram of substance. Also, be careful with lead salts, as they are quite toxic. Once we poured gram substances into flasks, pour then into each flask 175 milliliters of hot water. The water should be really hot. If the water is colder, the experiment may fail. Potassium iodide dissolves well, and lead nitrate solution becomes cloudy. This is due to a process called hydrolysis. To prevent it, add a little of acetic acid to the solution. Once everything is dissolved, take a large beaker and merge back our solutions. If solutions were cold, then a fine precipitate is going to form from lead iodide. However, our solution is hot, and a precipitate of lead iodide will dissolve in the hot water. Over time, the solution cools down, and out of it beautiful flakes of lead iodide will start crystallizing. The slower the cooling process will be, the larger and more beautiful the lead iodide flakes is going to be. This experiment looks better in a bright sunlight. Flakes of lead iodide is a very strong reminiscent of the golden glitter, hence the name of this experiment, the golden rain. This experiment looks very nice in the dark in the right light conditions.